Hi, in this video we are going to show you how we are able to use digital signage software and capture HDMI through digital signage software HDMI widget. This feature can be used on Android TVs where set-top box is to be used for digital signage, ads along with live TV or set-top box content. In this case, we are broadcasting the display on HDMI widget using a set-top box or a media player. This is in real time manageable. We can play media, we can play matches, or we can play news on manual set-top box configurations, and we can integrate the HDMI source with Android TV, which is running on latest Android OS and smart displays. This feature will allow hospitals, schools to broadcast information along with keeping the fresh content such as live news or live cricket matches using set-top box. We are showing you the capability of digital signage software using the cloud integration where we can manage the slots and the playback time of HDMI along with custom content. You can use digital signage dashboard and configure the area you want to show and broadcast the HDMI source in, and you can display the content accordingly. We will change few things here and then we will be able to see the real-time integration of the same. Let's configure this to adjust to the right and bring another image in the slot, using which you can have different ads and keep the HDMI source along with ads. Let's publish this onto the screen, and in real time we will be able to see the content publishing on the screens. That's how in real time you can push content to screen and keep the HDMI source active while people are able to view the content as well as digital signage HDMI interface. Thank you very much.